Good evening, everyone. Actually, it is actually midnight, over midnight, I guess. It's like 2:30 a.m. in the morning. It's still nighttime, but it's early morning. And usually the entrepreneurs, the successful leaders, the millionaires are always up early in the morning. And we work full time. And actually, I work a part-time job, but I actually do this full time. Every moment when I have a chance, I just make a video. So I did upload, I think, 3 videos just recently. So if you haven't watched my updated videos, please watch Will You Please? There's a video called Will You Please? Please watch that quick video because I need your support and I want you to know what my channel is about. Okay, my channel is about me and my lifestyle and how I live successfully every day. And if you subscribe to my channel, what you will get with me is you're going to get encouragement, you're going to feel uplifted, you're going to have really good vibes of keep going on. I'm actually going to really motivate you on whatever you're trying to achieve in life. I'm really good in uplifting, motivating you to keep going and drive for more successful plans. Whatever your goals are, you know, I stress about a lot about focusing and planning out your goals and especially writing them down. Because if you don't write down your goals and set your own schedule every day, you are going to not have a balance, all right, of knowing what direction, where you want to go. So it is really important to write down your goals and follow them, right? Write down your vision, write down the steps, put your long-term goals and your short-term goals, and especially, I need you all to start reading knowledgeable books, okay? Books that are going to uh, have growth in your life, books that's going to help you brand you online. You got to read successful books. You got to watch videos of other YouTube influencers that are actually at the top. Quote, they're busy. They're working their YouTube channel, and they're not they're not focused on less traffic. They're not focused on um, less videos. They're focused on doing everyday videos. They're focused on growth mindset every day, opening opportunities, doors everywhere. Okay, they're always looking for work. They're always expecting something out of themselves to be productive for that day. And every day should be that day, should be your day. All right. Um, this is my YouTube channel, okay? And I'm always changing my YouTube art, but for a while I've been having this YouTube art above. And if you've never made a YouTube art, the best place to make one is at canva.com. CANVA.com. That's where I make all my YouTube channel art. And through the time from starting this YouTube channel, I have changed so many YouTube arts, and you can actually see them in my videos from the past year. I've done a lot of changes on my YouTube art, but I kind of like this one, and I'm going to keep this one for a while. Don't want to do too much changes now that I am monetized. I just want to drive traffic to my YouTube channel now. So I'm learning to get more exposure, learning from other YouTubers and leaders, especially from Think Media. I've been watching a lot of their videos. Though they are kind of like my mentors right now because I'm really focusing on growing my channel naturally with growing subscribers the organic way. and I'm learning a lot from them. So, and I want to try out their new features too. And so also, I'm also building my other channel. If you haven't gone to that other channel, it is Crochet with Coach Lonnie M. And I'm going to be uploading some videos later on what I'm going to teach. Haven't focused on what I want to do yet, but I'm making another video today. I made like I think I made 2 videos yesterday for this channel. And then I'm going to make a couple of videos for my other channel. So I'm really busy doing videos for both channels. And whenever the opportunity I have the chance, the best time for me to make a video and upload a video is when I am off from my part-time job and when I'm at home at night. Usually early mornings, that's when I make my videos. Or when my husband's not here and he's at work because he works night shift. I usually make my videos when he's not here. It's really easier for me to be able to make videos when he's not here. That way I'm not disturbed. Because you're going to need a lot of time by yourself to make these videos. And you don't want anyone to interrupt you from making these videos. Because you want to prepare your videos to be the best videos that you want to make. Right? Okay. Now I'm going to actually if you have not downloaded vidIQ, I recommend vidIQ is going to help you monitor your channel. And if I can actually, it's up here in this corner right here. I already got it downloaded, the vidIQ. And then you're going to go to channel audit. Now I have to see where I am here. Okay, and I have previous videos a few months ago about my journey with the vidIQ. Okay, so I've gained subscribers. I got a little bit of views, but my watch time has been going down, so I need to participate in a buddy group so I can get some watch time hours with the group. Now, even if you're monetized, help the other new people in Wesley Virgin's YouTube program. Help them with their watch time hours. Even if you're monetized, don't quit. All right. Right. Lately, I have been so busy. I might participate in the morning tomorrow. I'm still off. I got another day to be off from my work, so yeah, I'll dedicate tomorrow. But since my husband has been gone on vacation, I'm trying to do as much videos and try to clean my house. And I'm kind of like I have a lot of orders because I do own a Etsy shop, but I also own I have another business outside of the home, which I do craft shows. Okay, and I have a craft. I also have a shop in La Habra with another business owner. That's where I keep all my crafts there. And so I have customers go there, and I also have customers at my craft shows. So I have to keep my product inventory going. All right. I am a business lady, so I do a lot of things. I multitask. I do my crafts. I do my online business, and anyone can do this if you are motivated. All right. I am here to motivate you. You can do it. All right. Don't stop your goals on the things that you love and enjoy doing. And with me, I love to crochet. I love to do my business online. I also like to create ebooks, and I'm actually in the future. I'm going to be listing my ebooks for free. You can actually download them for free, and I'm going to be listing them on majority of my videos. I have to really actually edit all my videos, but I'm going to be listing some ebooks where you guys can download them for free. All right, and I'm doing this because I want you guys to grow, and I want you to feel good about yourself. All right, and they're going to be uplifting videos and also business opportunities where you guys can learn about how to grow your channel, how to be successful online. So I'm going to actually upload videos that's going to help you how to work and how to do start your own business at home. You know, I'm going to have some free downloads. So if you guys want them, you can go ahead and click on the link. Some of the ebooks are I have a little charge, but I'm not going to charge so much. Probably the most will be like $3. And so that way you guys can just download it, and then that helps me with me growing, all right, and with my inventory to keep paying for my taxes. You know, every year everybody has a business tax, so we gotta pay our taxes. All right. But this is my Vidiq, and I actually got my channel on dark view. You can actually change your view. I gotta get some watch time hours here. If you continue to go down, right, the red is where you need to work on. So something is missing in my channel, but I have to look. Okay. 14 is probably, these are probably the new videos. I've got to add some end screens on 14 videos, and at least one playlist on 14 videos. So probably these are the ones that are new. And this is a playlist. Not enough of your videos are in the playlist. Okay. So I have to work on that. And this actually helps you monitor your channel, and a Vidiq is really good to have because you're able to see how your channel is growing. Okay, and here describes some views. Okay, this is how your channel is going right now. I don't have anything in the last 48 hours, so I have to get the buddy grid going to help me do some watch time hours. You want to continue to grow traffic here. These are minutes watched, within the last 7 days. My subscribers. So everything is doing good. Okay, you don't want you want your channel to grow the natural way. Okay, not quick. All right, and so this is my focus on doing that. All right, everyone. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. And I wanted just to do another share of quick updates of me, what I'm doing every day. So today in the morning, I'm actually gonna, after this video, I'm actually gonna go on to my crochet with Coach Lonnie, and I'm gonna do a video tutorial and upload a couple videos there, because since I've uploaded videos on this this video yesterday, and then I'm doing this one tonight, I gotta upload some videos over there too. So a lot of work. All right, everyone, have a great day. Stay focused. And call to action is read my channel description so you know who I am. Watch my videos, like my videos. I want you to press that like button and leave a comment of what types of videos you want me to make. And I look forward in hearing from all of you. Thank you, all my fans and subscribers, for watching my channel, Mindset for Success with Coach Lonnie and Bye, everyone.